Good morning, Year 2. Today, for maths, we need to try and use two new words. The first one is regular, and the second one is irregular. So can you say them after me? The first one is regular, and the second one is irregular. So let's take a look and see what we mean when I say those words. Okay, so first of all, move on to this screen. I have the word regular at the top. Then I have a picture of a quadrilateral, quad meaning four, so quadrilateral, four-sided shape. And I have a hexagon, and I always remember that X sounds like our 6 because they both have an X. So this is a six-sided shape. They're both regular. What do you notice? So pause the video and tell someone around you what you notice about those shapes. Okay, let's move on. This page says irregular, and we have the same shape names. We have a quadrilateral and a hexagon. So both shapes have the same amount of sides as they did on the previous page. 4 sides for our quadrilateral, 4 vertices, and 6 sides and 6 vertices for our hexagon. But these ones are irregular. What do you notice now? Pause the video and have a chat to the person near you. Okay, so let's have a think then. Regular means equal, means each side is the same length and each vertex is the same length or the same size. So they are all equal. Irregular means not equal. So there are at least 2 different length sides and 2 different size vertices. Could be the vertices changing, or it could be the sides, or it could be both. Move back to our regular shapes. We can see we have 4 sides and 4 vertices, and we can see that every vertex is what we call a right angle, like the corner of a book. Every one is exactly the same, and every side is exactly the same length. That's the same with our hexagon. We have 6 sides, but every side is the same, and every vertex is the same. In our irregular shapes, you can see this quadrilateral, we could call it a rectangle, because we have this side, these sides one length, and these sides a different length. This one still has all 4 of its vertices the same. Over here with our hexagon, we have our 6 sides. They are the same length, but this time it's the vertices that have changed. We can see this one is a larger angle than the corner of a book, larger than our right angle, and this one is a smaller angle than the corner of a book. That means this shape is an irregular hexagon. What about my shape at the bottom of this page? Is this a regular shape? What could we call it? I'd like you to stop the video, have a look at that picture, decide is it regular or irregular, and what name does this shape have? Okay, hopefully you've said that this is a hexagon because it has 6 sides and 6 vertices, and hopefully you've said it is an irregular hexagon because the sides are different lengths. So we've got a game to play now. Regular or irregular? What shape is behind the binoculars? So our binoculars are going to move around like this, and you need to count the sides, count the vertices, and then you need to say whether this is an irregular or a regular shape. And what name does it have? The first one is a circle. Circles are regular. They only have one side, and it is the same all the way around. So we have a circle. Can you guess what this shape is? Count those sides. Okay. I have counted 5 sides. Now I know that a shape with 5 sides is called a pentagon, and I think these all looked the same size. So what would we call it? It's a regular pentagon. Can you guess what this shape is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe? Bit tricky. I'll count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there are definitely 6 sides. I think they look like they might be slightly different vertices. So I think this looks like a capital L. 6 sides. It's got to be a hexagon, but it's an irregular hexagon. Okay, last one. How many sides? So far, those vertices are looking equal. Okay, I think the sides are 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. If I think about an animal with 8 legs, like an octopus, I think that might help me name the shape. It's a regular octagon. Okay. So let's move back to our normal video screen. Okay, so we know what regular and irregular mean now. Equal sides, equal vertices, or different sides and different vertices. Okay, it's as simple as that. So for today's math practice, we would like you to complete a page which looks like this, if I can find it. There it is. Okay, regular and irregular shapes. What we'd like you to do is write the word regular or irregular next to each shape. Remember, you need to count those sides and see if you can tell us the name of the shape and if it is regular or irregular. And then down at the bottom, you need to use mathematical language to explain the difference between regular and irregular shapes. So, using mathematical language, we don't just want you to write same or different. We would like to hear words like sides or vertices. Words like equal, those are brilliant math words, and I think you can all use them. That's your challenge for today, Year 2. I'll speak to you soon.